Hello, viewers. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're doing good. Welcome to another live stream, IGCSE 0580, past paper solution. It is QP11, October, November 2023. Welcome back to another live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Hello, viewers. I hope you can hear my voice. Can you send a message to tell me that device or not? Or I can go online through another device so to get aware that you are able to hear my voice. Thank you for joining. Please hit the like button. This channel has been presenting mathematics and other educational content for last more than 5 years. So we welcome you here. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. We are going to discuss uh, IGCSE 0580 mathematics past paper. This is October, November 2023 past paper solution is underway. Can you hear the voice? Hello, viewers. Can you hear the voice? This is IGCSE 0580 mathematics past paper solution. Can you hear the voice? Hello, viewers. How are you? Thank you that you have joined this channel. This channel has been presenting mathematics and other educational content for last 5 years. So we are discussing IGCSE 0580 mathematics past papers content. This paper is October November 2023. It's some of its questions are being solved now. Can you hear my voice now? Hello, viewers. Thank you for joining. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So let us begin solving these questions. These are simple questions in this paper. One and the first question, the top one, you can see that we have to factorize it completely. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much that you have joined. Let us begin solving this. We can see that what is it? It is 42 mk minus 35 m. This can be solved by splitting these two terms into its factors. For example, 42 can be written as, if you split 42 like this. So 42 divided by 2 will be 21. This divided by 3 will be 7. This divided by 7 will be 1. So similarly, we can divide 35, factorize 35 into, we divide it by 5. So 7 times 5 is 35, 717. So this we are doing here. 42 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by m multiplied by k minus 35. 35 is 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by m. So factorization means that its parts would be multiplying. When we write in the end, the parts would be multiplying. So dear viewers, please hit the like button. There is yet no like. So I appreciate if you like. I appreciate your presence here. Thank you for your support. This channel has been publishing math content and other educational content for last 5 years, though it has not reached to the decent popularity level. But with your support and appreciation, I would definitely be able to conquer that milestone too. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, share it also. Here we have factorized 42 mk like 237 mk, right? All these factors are getting multiplied. Then 35 is factorized as 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by m. So we can see that what the common values are here. One we can see is 7, 7 appearing in both, m appearing in both. So we can write 7m outside commonly. You know that we write it once for them. So you can see that if we pick 7m, what is left in the first term? It is left 2, 3, and k, right? It will be written inside bracket. 7 and m, if are written outside, 5 will be left inside to be written in the bracket. So 7m times 2 multiplied by 3, 6, 6k minus 5. So finally we have, this is factorized as 7m 6k minus 5. So this has been done. I hope you will appreciate the solution. You'll understand this, and you hit the like button, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much that you are here. We welcome you on this channel. This channel is devoted for mostly for mathematics, and obviously for other educational content as well. So your support is highly appreciated. That encourages us to keep jamming with the channel, with the content, and keep producing it. Though that the reward is not there yet, uh, we are hopeful that we'll be able to get the reward one day. So with your support, so kindly hit the like button, keep supporting. So you know that 7 and 35 and 42 both are divisible by 7, 7, and both have m. So 7m is taken common. So 7 divides 42 by 6. So 6k will be inside the uh, bracket. So when 7 divides 35, m is also taken out. So 5 is left. So minus 5, that is written. So it has two factors, 7m times 6k minus 5. That's the answer. So simple factorization question, simple algebraic question has been done. Now we move to question 15, where find the highest common factor, HCF. So in terms of numbers, it is also called greatest common divisor. That is also the same thing. So HCF, what is HCF? 140 if we split it into its factors, right? By the same using table method. So let us do it. Viewers, your support is like oxygen. Keep supporting. Keep hitting the like button, subscribe button. When we divide it by 2, what we get? Divided by 2 will be 7 times 14. 2 sevens 14, and then we divide it by 2 again, then we get 35. 3 2 6, 1 is left, then 5 2 10. We divide it by 5 now. So when we divide it by 5, 5 sevens 35. And please hit the like button. Thank you so much. Your support is highly appreciated. 7 divide 7 by 1. So it is completely divided now. 140 is completely divided. Now we divide 1 to 6 into its factors. So let's look. It is called prime factorization. What we are doing here, divide by 2, 6 2 is 12, 3 2 6, divide by 3, obviously it is divisible, 2 3 6, 3 ones 3, and then we divide it by 3 once again. We 7 threes 21, then divided by 7 gives us 1. So these two factorization, prime factorization is done. Now we write 40 as product of its prime factors, 2 2 5 7, right? Similarly, we write 1 2 6 as 2 3 3 7. So we have to find highest common factor. Please hit the like button. Thank you that you are here on this channel. You're the great person on earth because you are following this math channel, which is devoted, extremely devoted for uh, educational content. So HCF is what is the common number we can see in these two? We can see that this 2 is common, 7 is common. So 2 and 7, these two are common numbers. So they make 2 multiplied by 7, 14. So this becomes the HCF. So HCF means highest number that divides 140 and 126 is 14. So that's what we found from here. No other number is common from the prime factor, so none other than 14 is the answer. Now we can move to the next. Thank you, viewers, that you're here. I appreciate your presence, and we welcome you here. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. Your presence here, your support here is highly appreciated. It's immensely needed. And thank you that you joined this channel. You're staying here. You're watching this content. This is another question where we have to simplify. So how can we simplify? Uh, Simplification is easy when the same base is there, and same base multiply power gets added. So actually it is written n power 5 multiplied by n power 1. 1n is there. So we can see that n can be written once and 5 plus 1 can be done. And finally n power 6, n to the power 6 is the answer. So please hit the like button. There are very few likes, so your support is greatly valued for us, because uh, when you hit the like button, this channel uh, gets the reach increased, and when its reach increases, more viewers come. So this is how it reaches to many people out there. So please hit the like button, share it as well. So next is, see that how did we solve it? N power 5 multiplied by n. How did we solve? N power 5, and the other n is also getting multiplied. So that n has power 1. When there is no power, it means power 1. When the bases n here, right? Bases multiply, power get added. When the bases multiply, same bases, right? Both are the bases, and here the same base, it gets multiplied.
So we write the base ones and add power. 5 and 1 powers are added, so they make n power 6. So this is the answer. Now we can see that what next. These are simple algebraic problems. 8 power 8 into x power 6 divided by 2x power 2. So one value divides the other. So we can write it in the fraction form also. 8x power 6 by 2x power 2. Now we can write it as, we can split, we can factorize 8 as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 multiplied by 2, 8. So how many x are written there? 6x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x are written there. And then we can see that denominator can also be factorized like this. So 2 is there and 2x are also there. So 1 can also be written as product and numerator as well and denominator as well. So 1 doesn't affect the value, 1 doesn't affect the value and when it's written in multiplication and product. So we can see that 2 is cancelled, x is cancelled, so this x is also cancelled. So what is left will be the simplified form. So 1 is in denominator, that may not be written, so no matter, 2 2 is 4. And how many x are written? 4x are written. So 4 is the coefficient with x power 4. So 4x are 1, 2, 3, 4x are there. So x power 4, it means 4x4. This is the answer. So viewers, thank you that you are here. Please hit the like button. Thank you that you support this presentation, this channel. This channel is devoted for mathematics content for last several years. So these are the questions we are solving. First, we had to factorize this completely. Let's look at that. What is the content of this video? We had to factorize 42mk minus 35m. So we know that both are divisible by 7. So 7 is the common value, common divisor, and both have the m. So we can take 7m as common. So what will be left when 7 divides 42? 6 is left. That will be written inside bracket. When m is taken outside, when m is taken out, so k is left. So 6k will be written inside bracket, right? And 35 m is written outside with 7. 35 divided by 7, 5 is left. So you can see that when 7m is taken common, 6k minus 5 will be left in the uh, and bracket inside brackets. First, we actually did prime factorization of 42 and 35 factorization. Then you can see what are the common values. So by taking common values and writing them outside, we can write the rest of the values inside bracket that we did and found the final form of the factorization. So you can see that is written as answer. Next question was find the highest common factor HCF of 140 and 126. It means that which is the number, the largest number that divides both these numbers, 140 and 126. So the largest number that divides both of them is can be calculated by splitting these two numbers, 140 and 126, into their prime factorization form. So 140 is divided by 2, then divided by 2, then divided by 5, then divided by 7. So its prime factors are 2, 2, 5, 7, right? So the first table, which is the dividing table you can see, is utilized to find factors of 140. These are 2, 2, 5, and 7. Similarly, we divide 126 by 2, we get 63. We divide 63 by 3, we get 21. We divide 21 by 3, we get 7. We divide 7 by 7, we get 1. So the prime factors of 126 are 2, 3, 3, 7. So 126 is also written in its prime factorization form. Then we can see that what is common in these two, 2 and 2 are common, right? So both have 2, that is the common number. Both have 7 there, that is the common number. So we write 2 and 7 as product, so that makes 14. It means HCF, highest common factor. is 14. So 14 HCF is found, HCF is calculated, and moving next to question 6. What is this? This is very, very simple algebraic expression which we have to simplify. How can we do this simplification? N power 5 multiplied by n. N power 5 multiplied by n means that we have to, these two bases are getting multiplied. Both are n and both are with different power. One n is with 1 power, the other n is with 5 power. Both are getting multiplied. Means both n is considered as base here. At index, the power is 5 and 1. When the bases get multiplied, the same bases, they can be written once. So 2n can be written once, and the power 5 and 1 will be added. So n power 6 becomes the answer. Next is 8x power 6 divided by 2x power 2, right? So we can write them in fraction. So first we write them in fraction. 8x power 6 by 2x power 2. We do prime factorization of 8, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and there are 6x also written in numerator, divided by 2x. X means 2 with along with 2x are in the denominator, so we split them into pieces, and then we can see that 2 is cancelled by 2 from numerator denominator, 3 2x from numerator cancel 2x from denominator. We can write 1 in product also. Please hit the like button, viewers. Thank you that you are here. You're watching this great content. We call it mathematical content, mathematics questions, and this is amazing uh, thing, that amazing part of the knowledge that human being has achieved. So here we have when we split them and we cancel out 2 from numerator, 2 from denominator, 2x from numerator means 2 x terms from numerator from 2 with 2x from denominator. So we get 2 multiplied by 2, 4 in numerator and 4x. So 4x power 4. As all x are getting multiplied, so they can be written as x power 4. And the denominator, there is one is left which can be ignored or can be written as well. So we ignore that. So 4x power 4 is left. Now we move to next question, which is number 17. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. Thank you that you are here appreciating this content. So the next question is related to circumference. Look, the circumference of the circle is 59 centimeters. What is given here is circumference, right? It's 59. And calculate the radius of the circle. So circumference can be represented by C. Its formula is 2 pi r, right? So the formula for circumference is 2 pi r. So what C is circumference? The C value, this is C actually, this is C, right? So this 59 is the value of C given here. So 59 we can write here, and 2 pi r radius is required. The formula is utilized. So we can take these 2 pi, the value on left hand side, it will divide 59. So 59 divided by 2 pi is the radius. So if we need calculator here, uh, using calculator we can calculate the value 215. It's 59 by 2 pi. So let us do it and see that what will be the answer. 59 divided by 2 pi. The answer is 92.67. So another amazing thing these days we look at is 92.67. So the radius of that circle is 92.67. What is it? I guess this is not calculated well. Let us calculate the value 59 by 2 pi. It will be 9.39. 9.39. The value here is 9.39. So 9.39 centimeter radius circle has circumference 59. So let us move to next part. Let's look how can we do it. Okay, next question is this. What is it? It is uh, by writing each number and the calculation correct to one significant figure, find an estimate for the value. You must show all your work. Okay, so let us proceed here. 39.6, one significant figure is closer number to it. What is the number which is closer to it? Closer to it is 40. It is one significant figure, right? Number closer to it, you can see that it asks us to use one significant figure concept, right? Number correct to one significant figure, so this is 40. So one significant figure number closer to 24.2 is 20. So they will be added, right? And 3.8, one significant number closer to this is 4. And 1.2, a closer number, one significant figure, closer number to 1.2 is 1. So you can see that what is it? 40 plus 20, it is 60 divided by 4 minus 1 is 3, and that will be answer is 20. So that we have to write here. Okay, next question. Look at this question. How we have done using one significant figure concept. We have written that number correct to one significant figure, and then please hit the like button. Thank you that you are here. Hit the like button. Subscribe the channel. This is we are writing correct to one significant figure and estimating this value. 36.9 correct. One significant figure nearest to it is 40. 24.2 correct. One significant figure correct nearest to it is 20. So 3.8. One significant figure near to it, nearest to it is 4. 1.2, one significant figure closest to it is 1. So it is are these numbers written uh, as correct? One significant figure, 36.9 as 40, 24.2 as 20, 3.8 as 4, 1.2 as 1, and this is keeping the plus minus sign intact there. So 60 is numerator, 3 is denominator. By dividing, they make 20. So this is approximately, right? It means that we need to write finally the 3.36.9 plus 24.2 divided by 38 minus 1.2 is approximately equal to 20. So 20 is not the solid value, it is approximate value. Next, we will look at this is a money management question. And what does it state? Thank you so much, viewers, that you are here, appreciating this live stream. This is mathematics content. If you love mathematics, you would be here enjoying this content. This channel is presenting math content for long now. Your supported appreciation can make it reach to sky high limits. Hit the like button, subscribe the channel. Thank you that you are here. We welcome you here. And what we have to do here is Indira invests $6,000 at a rate of R% per year, simple interest. At the end of the fourth year, the value of our investment is $6840, $6,840. Find the value of rate. Okay, rate, percentage rate is required here. Hit the like button so that the channel reach increase to few more persons. Thank you that you are here watching this content. It is money management question, simple interest question. So what we do in here for this, so hit the like button. Thank you, viewers, that you are here. Thank you for your appreciation. It is a simple interest problem. What we have to do in it, we have to find simple interest. So simple interest, sometimes we have to find simple interest, sometimes we have to find rate, sometimes we have to find the principal amount, sometimes we have to find the capital amount. So this time, or sometime we have to find years, right? Number of years. So here we will use simple interest formula, right? So we need to know that what this 6,000 is. It is 6,000 is the principal amount, right? Represented by P. And the formula, if you see P, this is the amount, which is the basic investment, and the rate is R%, and the simple interest at the rate of time. T is 4 years, right? And her investment, the amount she receives, okay, amount, it is A for amount is 6840. So dollars, that many dollars. Now, thank you, viewers. Please hit the like button. Thank you that you are here. It is IGCSE 0580 Mathematics. past paper solution. So see that it is amount is given, capital is given, the basic investment, and time is given, and we are asked to find the interest rate. So what is A? The amount, total amount is principal plus interest. So that is 6,840. So if we want to find interest here, I interest. Yes, we have to find interest here. How can we find? This is PP is 6,000. So this is 66,840. Interest is 6,840 minus 6,000. So that will be $840. It means that on that investment, she got how much? How much did she get? She got $840, right? $840 interest. So now we use the formula. So interest for simple interest formula is P multiplied by R multiplied by T by 100. So P, what is P? P is 6,000. R is R percent. We don't know, but one thing more we know here, which we actually ignored. Okay, R is unknown. T is 4 years and divided by 100. Interest is 840. So see that these two zeros cancel out these two zeros from 6,000, and we can see that this 60 will divide that. Okay, 60 and 4 both. You take this 60 on left side, this 4 on left side, so you will see that they will divide left hand side. Basic algebraic rule. So 840, you take this 4 on left side, it divides. Take 60 on left side, it will also divide it. So 6 cancels it. 6 cancels 84 by 12, and 4 cancels 12 by 3. So on right side we can have R. So see that R is 3%. This is the answer, and we can write it right here. 3% is an interest rate. So viewers, thank you that you are here watching this content. Thank you for your appreciation. How we solve this question is important. How can we do it? We just have written, we just have written this. P, the principal amount 6,000, T, the time, which is 4 years, and amount, the total amount she received in the end after on the investment of 6,000 after 4 years, 6,840. So the total amount is actually the sum of the basic amount, the initial investment, and the interest, P plus I. So P is the first time investment, that is 6,000, plus interest is I. So and 68, 6,840 will be written on right side. 6,000 shifted on right side. So we get the amount of interest, which is 840. Now then, after that we apply the formula PRT by 100. So that formula, interest is 840. P, the capital amount is 6,000. R is R, that is unknown. Time is 4 years, and divided by 100, that is part of the formula. So now 6 from 6,000, two zeros are cancelled by 100 from the denominator. We take 60 and 4 on left side. They divide 840. So after division, we get 3. So that becomes the interest rate. Hit the like button if you're here. Hit the like button. I appreciate our presentations. Thank you so much for your cooperation, because that is like an oxygen for us. Subscribe to this channel as well. This channel is devoted tirelessly and unconditionally for mathematics and other educational content. So your appreciation means a lot to us. So hit the like button, share the channel, subscribe to it also. Come back for the other content, which is mostly in the form of short videos. Actually, they are. I'm of the view that I need to present my content which benefits everyone, every listener, every viewer. So, in pursuit of that, I blend mathematics with religious content, with motivational content, with some ethical, moral content, with some meaningful ideas from some other audio sources which are already there on the YouTube, available for free for everyone to use. So I have blend mathematics. I made a kind of a mixture of mathematics with that moral education, religious education, blended with mathematics, published on my channel. So it will, when you would be watching those short videos, you would not get bored. You will get something meaningful out of it. So stay connected, keep watching, keep scrolling through my channel screen, initial screen, go through all those shorts, appreciate those, hit the like button, subscribe to it, share to it. Thank you for your uh, this kind behavior, this kind um, offer. And here we have another question ready. It's this is called trapezium and as well as called trapezoid. So this trapezium, find the area trapezium formula. It's very simple, basic level question, but your entire knowledge is tested when you are appearing for IGCSE final exam. Your entire knowledge is tested from the basic to the advanced level. So look up till the level you have studied. So entire that knowledge from numbers, from geometry, from algebra, from factorization, from uh, multiplication, from all those aspects. So there are nearly 25 to 30 topics altogether, which comprises the IGCSE uh, uh, 0580 exam. So nearly 30 topics have to be mastered before appearing. So a lot of content related to that from past papers is already published in the form of shorts. So as I told you that my shorts contain audios, some moral, ethical, Islamic audios blend with mathematical content. So you will get two things out when you will be watching my short videos. So you will get two things there, some scientific information, Islamic information, knowledge, motivation, or any modern thought that is going to benefit the viewer. So I have published that. Go through all that content, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends and your acquaintance. So here, trapezium is here for us. Hit the like button, viewers. Thank you that you're here. I appreciate your and welcome you here on my channel. This is Mathematics channel, devoted tirelessly and immensely devoted at this motivation behind presenting educational and moral, ethical content is just for the betterment of the society, just to contribute positively in the society. So your appreciation, your support is highly valued and is immensely required. So thank you that you're here and you're supporting us. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. We are solving this IGCSE 0580 question paper 11 of October November 2023. It's another question is before us, which asks us to look at this diagram. This diagram is called trapezium, and its area is required. So let us find the area. We can call it A. Okay, this is one of the parallel sides is A. Other parallel sides. Two sides are parallel. You can see that A and B are parallel sides because look at this. This arrowhead actually tells us that these two are parallel lines, and this measure 6 centimeter. This can be called perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines. So our height of this, it can also be called height. So we denote it by h. So we have e and h. We have to find area. So area of this trapezium is a plus b. Sum of the parallel sides multiplied by h divided by 2. That gives us the area. A is 8, B is 14, H is 6. All these are multiplied divided by 2. 2 can convert the 6 into 3, and then we can see that 14 plus 8 is 22. 22 multiplied by 3 is 66. So we have the answer. Area of this trapezium 66 centimeters square. So if you love mathematics, if you love the positivity, if you love the religion, if you love scientific information, and if you love motivation, you need to be on my channel. You need to hit the like button. You need to subscribe it. You need to watch my short videos. So we viewers welcome you on this channel. Appreciate your presence, and your support is like an oxygen to for us. Uh, our motivation to present, to publish this content is sky high, and we are immensely motivated and enthusiastic about presentation, publishing this content, which is blended with religious, moral, ethical, scientific content, and all this is published on the channel. Over 1,000 videos are for my viewers, my audience, just to contribute positively in the society. So your appreciation is highly appreciated. Appreciation is required and is needed. Here we have question 21 next. Write the numbers in standard form. So how can we do this? It can be a piece of a cake, a very simple question. So you just ponder on it, and we will be solving it shortly. We welcome you here. Please hit the like button. You are here on a channel where mathematics content is presented with high enthusiasm. So we appreciate your visit to this channel. Stay here, stick around, watch this content, understand mathematical concepts, give us the support to keep contributing positively to the society. So, for all that positivity, you need to be here. So, viewers, this is the right numbers and standard form. So, this is easy to write. Okay. So see that where is the decimal? Actually, let us rewrite this numbers 45 and with how many zeros? Three zeros means 45,000 it is, right? So the decimal place is here. So we move it from here to one, two, three, four digit towards left. So we need to make it reach after 4. So we have to write it after 4. So it is 4.5. How many digit does it move? One, two, three, 4. So we will write 10 raised to power. If we are moving from right to left, so right to left, obviously 45,000 is a big number, right? Big number. When it is a big number, if we compare to both, you know that 45,000 and point 006763. So you can see that which number is greater, 45,000. So bigger number have usually positive power of 10, and smaller number have negative power of 10. Another way is that we move from decimal. We change the place of the decimal from right to left. How many digits towards left? One, two, three, 4 digits towards left. So it will be written as 10 raised to power 4. So 4.5 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5 is its standard form, right? Now we can see the other one, the 0.0063. How can we write this? We have to move decimal from here to first non-zero, just after first non-zero. So how many digits will we have to move? We let us write this number once again. It can be written as 0.0063. So we have to make it move to the just after first non-zero uh, number. So one digit, first zero is one digit, second zero is second digit, then six comes. So three digit, we move it from left to right. So when we move from left to right, it becomes 6.3 and to 10 raised to power. So as a 0.0063 is a smaller number, so smaller number have usually negative power of 10, right? Smaller number, much smaller number like 0.000063, it will have negative power of 10. So in other way we want to keep in mind is that we moved decimal from left to right. How many digits? Three digits. When we move from left to right, we put the positive, we put the power of 10 negative, right? Negative power of 10. So how many digits did we move? One, 2, 3. So minus 3 is the power. So it is 6.3 into 10 raised to power minus 3. This is the standard. Right? Next, he says that calculate this and give your answer in standard form. So let us look at it. It is 8.2, needs to be 8.2 in this one, right? Multiply by 10 raised to power minus 1, multiply by 10 raised to power. Okay, it is 150,000, right? 150,000 it is. The number here is 150,000. So how can we write it? So we actually have to move decimal from here to one digit, two digit, three digit, four digit, and it is 5 digits. So what kind of a shape it is formed here? That doesn't need to be. Okay, from here we have to move one digit, two digit, three digit, four digit, five digit towards left. So 8.2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 1 multiplied by, it is 1.5 multiplied by 10 raised to power how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many digits we moved from left to right? So it's a big number, right? 150,000 is a big number. Its power is positive. So whenever we move from right to left, its power is positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 raised to power 5 is here. Now we can see that 8.2 multiplied by 1.5, they are together and 10 powers are together. So both are 10 with minus 1 power and 5 power. Their powers are added when we write it once, right? So now we can multiply 8.2. Okay, I consider it 8 point, other than 8.2, I consider it 82, right? I consider it 82 and 1.5, I write it as 15. So when I multiply it in my way, 15 to 30, 0, 3, 15, 8, it will be difficult. So let us do it one by one, right? 5 to 10, 0, 1 carry, 8, 5 is 40 plus 1, 41. Then cross here, 82 will be here. Then 0, 3, 8, 4 are 12. 1230. So it becomes 1230. Actually, it is 8.2. Okay, it is 1.5. So two decimal places. So it becomes 122 decimal. It becomes 12.3. So this number 8.2 multiplied by 1.5, that gives 12.3 multiplied by 10 raised to power. What is it now? Do you know that? What is it? 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. Still, we have to move this decimal to just after first non-zero number, right? So it becomes 1.23 multiplied by 10 raised to power. Okay. That makes the 10 raised to power 1 appear here. and 10 raised to power 4 is already there. So these two powers of 10 will be added. So 1.23 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1 plus 4 will be 5. So final answer here is this. Next to it is the length S meters of a ship is 287, right? Correct to nearest meter. Nearest meter means nearest 1 meter. Okay, nearest 1 meter. Two. Okay, nearest to 1 meter. Nearest to 1 meter is written. So we have to add 287 plus zero point 0.5. What is half of 1 meter? It is 1 meter, right? Half of 1 meter is zero point 0.5 and 287 minus zero point 0.5. So what does that give? It is 287.5 and this is 286.5. So it will be 286.5 and this will be 287.5. That means these are called upper and lower bounds. So viewers, thank you so much that you have been the part of this long video. It is nearly 1 hour stream, 57-minute live stream. So this channel is highly devoted, convinced, motivated, enthus- enthusiasm, with full of enthusiasm to present math content. And we blend math content with scientific information, with moral uh, values containing audios. And if you see my shorts, those will give you the idea that how mathematics is blended with the Islamic motivational and scientific content. How the mathematics is blended with that. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, share videos, watch videos, appreciate us. Thank you so much. See you in the next live. Until then, thank you so much. Goodbye.